Assalamu alaikum everyone. In less than 24 hours, we're about to open up a new monthly candle, and we're also about to start a new week within 14 hours. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be Monday, new week is upon us, and also July is going to be the start of July as well. And things are looking pretty safe now. Okay, things are looking pretty good. They're looking actually as it's now time to start another push, another move to the upside, and take some stop losses of the people who are bearish. That's the that's the motto of this market. All right, when you're bearish, I'm gonna pump. When you're too much bullish, I'm going to drop to the downside. Now I'm not going to stretch too much today, so I'm gonna go back to 4-hour time frame. And one thing that is really good, really good, is that yes, you had your downtrend here, and you came down to retest the broken downtrend. So you have resistances, you break above, you fall down, you go for the retest. That is pretty amazing. Isn't it exactly how coins are meant to behave? You might just move a little bit lower one more time and then start to push back up one more time. So you can see that the RSI is still pretty flat right now. You do not have any threat anymore. It's already down, already oversold on the 4-hour time frame. So as expected, again, the summary is, as long as you're not coming down to 876, you're pretty much good to continue to move to the upside here. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.